What's up guys, this is Sean from Seanboxing. Welcome back to another episode of Hype Sneakers Review. For those of you who are new to the channel, I do a lot of sneakers review, on-feet shots, and sometimes even giveaway events. So if you guys like cool sneakers, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so for today, I'm not going to do a specific sneakers review, but I'm going to do a comparison review between Yeezy 350 V2 Black Red from 2017, so this is the original version, and the same silhouette and the same model, but in 2020 or just recently, this one released, or we could even call it a restock to be fair. So I'm gonna do a comparison between these two, just find out some differences if there is any. I haven't even looked at the shoes yet, so yeah. Before I start the comparison, shout out to Mr. Lim for generously providing his shoes. Lending his shoes for the review. I tried to find anyone who had these shoes from 2017, but you know, it's been 3 years, so I really didn't have any luck. So thank you. I'll put his Instagram right here and also down in the description so you guys can check it out. All right, I should probably adjust the angles. There we go. Right. Not sure if you guys can tell from here which one is from 2017 and which one is from 2020. Wow. I'm just gonna tell you guys, this one is 2017, this one is 2020, the restock. So from the box, there's nothing really, you know, standing out in terms of difference, but the only difference I notice is the wording on one of the, or two sides of the box. So this one from 2017 says made by Adidas, and then below it says adidas.com/Kanye, and it says the same thing on the other side, except it's just got the label on the box. And the restock doesn't have the link, it just says made by Adidas, that's it. Nice and simple, 2 lines, and this one also on the other side. So in terms of the box, everything else is pretty much the same. It's got 350 on the numbers on the top, and then boost on one of the sides and boost on the other side, and nothing on the other side. So yeah, box wise, I guess the link thing is the only difference. Now let's check out the shoes. 2020 restock. I'm just gonna use the left sides. All right, so I got a US 7.5 for 2017, the one from Mr. Lim, and US 8.5 for the new one, the restock version. So what are some of the differences I noticed right away? Nothing really, you know, like this one, obviously it's got some, you know, stains, it's got used marks. I mean, you can tell that these are used shoes, but you know, aside from that, nothing really. Like the laces are the same, the upper is the same, the soles the same, the lettering, the logo plate, exactly the same, the pull tab, exactly the same. The insoles, exactly the same, except this one is kind of worn out. But really, guys, there's no difference here. Stitch works look like they're the same. I'm actually pretty surprised because recently Yeezy 350s had a lot of those stripes on the side that was kind of like translucent. So I thought maybe they might bring that, you know, because sometimes it's difficult for factories to, you know, go back to their previous production style. You see what I mean? Like, you know, they spend so much investing in those frames where they make those shoes, and for them to go back, it's kind of like, it's a difficult decision. Maybe they had, you know, they have the frame intact, so they just pulled it out and just used it again, but who knows? I'm not a specialist in those manufacturing process, but I can tell you that these shoes look the same, except this one's cleaner. So yeah guys, like silhouette wise, I guess there's no difference at all. I'm just gonna do some edit height check. So again, for those people who haven't seen my videos before, this is what I do sometimes. You know, I check my shoes edit heights. The way I do it is just put this in here and then measure the bottom of the shoes to where the insole is, just so I get an accurate view. So there is some, you know, some difference, like plus and minus a few 0.0 millimeters, but obviously it's not as, you know, it's not like a computer accuracy, but it just gives you the view. And for the 2017 version, I got 2.865 centimeters. And now the 2020 version, .94. The guy's been wearing these shoes for like 3 years, so obviously the insole probably like squeezed a little bit, and it's not a world of difference. So I would say, you know, these shoes are exactly the same. They probably use the same manufacturing process. They're 99% equivalent, except for the wording here, link missing in the new one. But come on, that's not even like part of the value of these shoes really. So I would say these are exactly the same shoes, except the year is different, but you can't really even tell if the old one was kept in a nice condition. So yeah, there you go. I mean, it's gonna be a quite short video, but mission accomplished. All right, well, that's it for today's review. If you guys have any question on any more difference on these shoes, please don't hesitate. Let me know in the comment section below. And what do you guys think about the new 350 V2 Black Bred? I mean, it's the same as the old one, but so let me know anything, any idea is fine, just share it with the team. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button to see more Hype Sneakers reviews coming up. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in my next video.